AI is misunderstood, and it's time to set the record straight. Today, we're going to be debunking some of the biggest myths about AI. So, whether you're a newbie, AI enthusiast, or entrepreneur, you're going to learn the truth about where AI is today and how you can use it effectively to grow your business or your clients' businesses. Let's get into it. So, if you're new here, I'm Daniel, and I'm building an AI automation agency. I try to provide a real, raw look into building the business from scratch. So, if you like that kind of stuff, leave a like, comment, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you want an update on where I am with the business, stay tuned. If you don't care about the business update, you can just jump to this timestamp. It'll be somewhere over here.
What's up, y'all? So I'm actually traveling right now. I'm actually at the airport waiting for my flight to board, but I had to give you guys a quick update from this past week in the business. So the two proposals that we sent out last week, one of them got back to us, the guy with the e-commerce brand, he got back to us saying that the price was too high. We're trying to negotiate a bit to see if we can, still move forward at a price point that makes sense for him, but as of right now, it's looking like he's probably going to go in a different direction. So it is what it is. The other guy with the moving company, he got back to us and said that his operating funds are a bit low at the moment because he had a lot of expenses come up in this same week. So he said he still likes the solution and wants to move forward, but he just kind of has to wait a little bit until he's back on solid ground. So we'll see if that materializes in anything. So stay tuned for that. In other news, I developed another demo for another potential client, and it's a pretty cool solution. He is a, financial education brand, and it's just a bot that, helps him explain, some financial topics using AI. So he's really excited about the solution. It was pretty simple to set up on our end, but it's not really about how simple the solution development is. It's more about the value that it provides the customer, right? So he was ecstatic with it. He loves it. He is definitely going to give us a testimonial, and he even mentioned a potential revenue share opportunity. So that's pretty exciting. We're still in the fine tuning and tweaking it so that it's perfect for his customers and so that he can go live. But overall, he's very happy with it. And I actually also had another meeting earlier this morning with another potential client, and he has two potential solutions that he's looking at. One, customer service solution for his website, and then another automated outreach solution. So yeah, that's where we stand with the business. Overall, it's been a pretty good week. We're kind of switching our focus to just getting as many testimonials as possible, building up that social proof. That way, when we do have our higher ticket offers and we're trying to pitch to more clients, then it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer yes for them because we have all this social proof and all these other people who we've provided value to in the past. So yeah, that's where we are with the business, and I'll keep you guys posted.
Now, let's dive into those AI myths. First up, the biggest one that I hear, that AI will replace all jobs. The truth is, AI is more likely to change jobs than replace them. It's about augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them. AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creative and strategic work. For example, retail cashiers and self-checkout machines. Self-checkout machines in supermarkets are a form of automation. While they handle transactions, they don't entirely replace cashiers. Human cashiers are still needed for tasks like verifying age for certain purchases, handling unique customer queries, and providing a personal touch in customer service. A common misconception is that AI processes information just like the human brain. However, AI's understanding of language and context is fundamentally different. It operates on patterns and statistical analysis, not on genuine comprehension or insight. For example, AI-powered language translation apps can translate words and phrases between languages, but they often struggle with idioms, cultural nuances, or complex sentences. This is because AI doesn't truly understand language and context the way humans do. It processes language based on patterns and statistical correlations. It's not about true understanding, but about computing probabilities. based on learned data. Many believe AI can predict future events with certainty, especially in complex areas like the stock market. But AI's predictions are based on historical data and patterns, not foresight. But anyone in finance will tell you, past performance is not indicative of future results. It can't anticipate unpredictable human behaviors or unforeseen global events. Therefore, while AI provides valuable insights and forecasts, these are best used as tools for informed decision making rather than as foolproof predictions. It's about probability, not certainty. Some think AI can read minds or understand emotions perfectly. While AI can analyze patterns in data, including some behavioral cues, it's far from reading our minds or comprehensively understanding human emotions. Going back to our second myth, AI lacks nuanced understanding of context and empathy. It just can't do that. Yet. Many believe AI is completely objective. However, AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the AI's decision can be biased too. It's crucial to use diverse and inclusive data sets to train these AI systems. Consider how an AI-driven search engine works. If most people click on certain types of articles or websites, the AI may learn to prioritize these, potentially creating an echo chamber effect. This means you might get a skewed view of information based on popular opinion rather than objective truth. Understanding these myths helps us approach AI with a balanced perspective. It's a tool with incredible potential, but like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how we use it. So, what's the truth about AI? It's indeed a powerful tool, but it's not a standalone solution. It requires human guidance, ethical considerations, and continuous learning to be truly effective. Let's break this down. Firstly, human guidance is crucial in AI development and application. AI systems learn from the data they're fed, and humans decide what data to use. This human input can either introduce biases or help mitigate them. Moreover, humans interpret AI outputs, make judgments, and implement decisions. AI enhances our capabilities, but it doesn't replace the need for human intuition and decision making. Ethics in AI is a huge area of focus. From ensuring data privacy to preventing discrimination, the ethical use of AI is about ensuring that these technologies benefit society without causing unintended harm. This includes designing AI systems that are transparent, fair, and accountable. Ethical AI is about using technology in a way that aligns with our societal values and norms. AI is not a set it and forget it solution. It requires continuous learning and improvement. As our world changes, AI systems need to adapt. This means regularly updating the datasets, refining algorithms, and constantly monitoring performance to ensure accuracy and relevance. It's a dynamic process that evolves with our changing world. When used responsibly, AI has immense potential. It can drive innovation, streamline processes, and enhance decision making in nearly every field, from healthcare to education, finance to environmental conservation. The key is to harness AI's power responsibly, ensuring it works for the benefit of all. Separating fact from fiction in AI is crucial as we navigate its role in our future. I hope this video has cleared up some misconceptions. Stay tuned for more insights and updates in the world of AI, and as always, share your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.